Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial exercise number 28. You can click Part button and click Start to the sketch. I will choose this XY plan. First you can draw a circle. Set for diameter into 30 and the next circle diameter 60. Use line tools. You can click this icon line, click start from this point. Move to the right, can set into 100. Then move to the top, 15. Then click at this point. The next create line again, I will click start from this point to the bottom here. And then create line from this point into here. And the next from this point into here. Now use trim tools. You can click this icon trim and I will cut this edge also at this point. The next we cut this line object and then the circle object. Use fillet tools. Can set for radius into 5. Click from these two line objects also at this point. The next in here. Now you can create line from this corner point into here. Click finish cut. To convert into 3D, we can use the extrude tools. You can click this icons extrude. Select at this face for profile. And then I will direction with the symmetric. Can set for size into 50. Click OK. Now in here I will visibility the sketch. You can click plus icon in extrusion, right click in sketch and then check for visibility. Use extrude again. You can select at this point area and I will use symmetric. Can set for distance into 12. Click OK to apply. Last, you can use fillet tools. Set for radius into 5 and then click this edge also in there. Click OK. And then you can hide sketch by right click in the sketch here and then check for visibility. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial exercise number 28. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.